It'll be John now. And let me see.
I see some live.
And we'll get started here on this stream in just a quick minute. Well, good afternoon. About just after 4:45 here with a quick update here from the First Alert Forecast Center, where thunderstorms are just at this point starting to get going, really just in the developmental stage of everything here for today, but looks like it will be another active evening across the South Plains. And difference from the past couple of days is that we do have a tornado watch in place for parts of our area. This includes Lubbock down to Tahoka to Post, and then points off to the east and north. The watch means the potential for severe weather, and still the primary concern, as we've mentioned over the past couple of days, is large hail and damaging wind. The reason the Storm Prediction Center issued the tornado watch is there is the possibility for a few tornadoes across this entire watch. Don't want you to think that just because you're under a tornado watch means you will see a tornado tonight. Doesn't work like that. But nonetheless, the update here is that possibility for us to see thunderstorms that definitely become organized and produce some severe weather. Again, could be a few isolated reports of some of the larger hail, and again, a few isolated reports of tornadoes. Let me check one thing real quick here, make sure we've got our stream set up correctly. Going to our website, let me see right here. There we go, right there. So welcome y'all on our website here at KCBD.com, watching for this latest update here from the First Alert Forecast Center. Still configuring everything, making sure we have everything that is working correctly here. And also welcome to those of you on Facebook. If you have any questions here on Facebook or YouTube, you can go ahead and put those questions in the comments. Either we'll get to them right here during the stream, or we'll be sure to, through the updates on TV in our newscast, and of course outside of our newscast as well when there are any pressing items. John's going over some of the latest forecast data here for our 5 o'clock newscast coming up in about 10 minutes. But again, since we just switched over here and just started the stream with those of you on Facebook, I want to show you the tornado watch that's in place. Lubbock and points east and north until 11 o'clock tonight. Then a severe thunderstorm watch that's in place for the southwestern South Plains. That's also until 11 o'clock tonight. The reason for two different watches to be issued is the tornado potential is a little bit greater to the north and east, especially as you get into the eastern panhandle. It's more so up that direction. So tornado watch means the potential possibility for there to be thunderstorms that produce a tornado, large hail, damaging wind. The primary concern today is that large hail and the damaging wind. One thing that we see out there is there's a lot of humidity. Temperature right now in Lubbock, it's climbed to, let's see, latest update here. Get this graphic loaded. Up to 86 now. And the dew point at 56. In fact, we can back this out, and computer's going to reset real quick right here. Can also show you what meteorologist Adam Young is seeing. He just headed out just a little while ago, and he's going to be one of our two crews that we have out on the across our area watching thunderstorms out there. One thing you can see, the vertical nature of the thunderstorms, or I should say of the clouds, before they become thunderstorms. That's what we're seeing thus far. Really just in the developmental stage of thunderstorms going up across our area here this afternoon. So this is the kind of setup where, I mean, you can just feel it out there, the fact that we've got so much humidity in place, a little bit more so than we've seen over the past couple of days. As far as what radar is showing right now, let me get that loaded up real quick and show you that do have one thunderstorm that's not severe yet, down to the south and southwest of Silverton. That's been the initial development there in far northern Floyd, far northeastern Hale County there. We've noticed at least some returns over the western South Plains, maybe some attempts at thunderstorms developing. I want to show you what the dew point looks like here. 56 in Lubbock, that's a pretty good amount of humidity. We do have some 50s all the way into the western South Plains. Earlier today, it was actually even more humid. Had the dew point in the 60s here in Lubbock. It's mixed down a little bit, but still we do have quite a bit of humidity in place. We always look for where the dry line is positioned, and at this point that's roughly over the western South Plains, stretching, like you see a 51-degree dew point still to the west of Hereford, 53 at Seminole. So there's still some humidity out all the way into the western South Plains. We talk about humidity because the more humidity, moisture you have, ingredients here for showers and thunderstorms. Megan, watching from Matador, I sure am glad that thunderstorm a couple of nights ago, that was scary. Had Matador once again under a tornado warning 2 nights ago. We saw a rotation on radar. The rotation weakened, thankfully, before that thunderstorm moved in to the city. So thank you for watching. We know just how scary it can be there. Vera, hello from Slayton. Thank you for watching with us. So we're just in the waiting stage of thunderstorms getting organized. You can see, looks like now starting to see first development going up in northern Lamb County right here, close to Olton. Storms are going to go quickly. So once they do form, it'll be pretty quick that thunderstorms get organized and go on up. So just wanted to jump on real quick here, partially to say, hey, we got the audio fixed compared to what we had yesterday because it was blipping and beeping on Facebook for whatever reason. But you can see no warnings out there right now. That likely could change over the next hour. But with these watches in place, we do expect thunderstorms going into this evening. Again, and hello, Patricia in Tahoka. Great to see all of you watching here through this afternoon and this evening. Right now, just have the clouds going up. So this is just the initial stage of everything starting to get going over the next hour or two. We'll have bigger thunderstorms actually out there. The reason the watch is in place, tornado watch in blue, severe thunderstorm watch in green, that's because we have the potential for severe weather. So give it another hour or two, radar is going to look differently, and things will become a bit more active. John's got a whole lot more coming up here on News Channel 11 at 5 in just a few